We run a company by the name of Innobev Solutions Pvt Limited. We are into private label food and beverage offerings. So what we do is, let's say if a customer has a sales and a marketing channel, we bring in the product ideas, manufacturing, R&D, supply chain, IP, everything. So till the time product is not there in the customer warehouse, we play every role and responsibility, including procurement and supply chain. And then it's customer responsibility to sell and market the product. So I guess we have exhibited in both the exhibitions. I feel this time it's much better in comparison to last year. This is our 5th time we are exhibiting in CMPL. We have exhibited 3 times in Mumbai, 2 times in Delhi. And I hope that we'll continue to do so in future as well. This is one of the best exhibition for private label space in India so far. We had a customer in this year, in fact, we had a customer in CMPL Mumbai. They had an idea that they wanted to do something in beverage space. They don't know why, so they chose something. So like on our stall, we display 2 sides of section. One is our customer and one is concept wall. So last time when they came in Mumbai, they saw something at the concept wall, and this time they are sitting behind us. So we have converted something really quick for our customers. I am personally very keen to meet new startups who are coming up with the innovative ideas, because they also challenge us to do some new work, and that's where we are really excited about. The more I guess what they are currently doing is really best. I could really see that we can have more organized section in Delhi like we do in Mumbai. That's all. We have seen interest, average interest on all the products categories that we do. Protein is definitely one of them, and last year we had a huge interest on a concept of a milkshake, a thick milkshake. This time we had a huge interest on the innovation we are displaying, like a coffee cola beverage, a turmeric and L-theanine beverage, a beauty accelerator which has collagen, veg collagen, glutamine and hyaluronic acid in it. Those kind of concepts we have seen huge amount of traction this year. So we are trying to showcase multiple concepts in beverages, but like I mentioned in my earlier answer, that the most innovative thing that we are trying to do is one on the refreshing side. One is called coffee cola. It's a fusion of a cola and a coffee, real coffee to give you instant kick. Then second is natural energy drink, which is based out of yerba mate. And third are turmeric and hyaluronic acid based drinks. When we attend these events, we actually get to learn about people, what's happening in the industry, and that gives you a slightly competitive edge over other people. In particular, when I talk about CMPL, it has been a great networking event where we get to learn from our peers of different industries, and that's what has helped us so far. Awesome.